Hello learners, welcome back to this channel. This video contains 130 important prepositions for 7th and 8th class. Questions, answers, meanings in Hindi and explanations. 13 sets. Each set contains 10 questions. Get ready for the set 1 questions. Set 1. Questions 1 to 10. 1. I got dash the bus. 2. The ship is anchored a mile dash the coast. 3. I went dash the Nepal border. 4. I walked dash the riverbank. 5. I fell dash the ladder. 6. The ball rolled dash the table. 7. I ran dash the field. 8. Kolkata is dash the banks of the river Hooghly. 9. The clouds are dash the car. 10. A bird is hovering dash the car. One. I got off the bus. 2. The ship is anchored a mile off the coast. 3. I went across the Nepal border. 4. I walked along the riverbank. 5. I fell off the ladder. 6. The ball rolled off the table. 7. I ran across the field. 8. Kolkata is on the banks of the river Hooghly. 9. The clouds are above the car. 10. A bird is hovering over the car. I got off the bus.
मैं बस से उतर गया.
2. The ship is anchored a mile off the coast.
जहाज किनारे से 1 मील दूर एंकर लगा हुआ है.
3. I went across the Nepal border.
मैंने नेपाल की सीमा पार की.
4. I walked along the riverbank.
मैंने नदी के किनारे चलकर गया.
5. I fell off the ladder.
मैं सीढ़ी से गिर गया.
6. The ball rolled off the table.
गेंद मेज से गिर गई.
7. I ran across the field. मैं पूरे मैदान में भाग गया. It implies that someone ran from one side of the field to the other. Person running, male sign, sheaf of rice. 8. Kolkata is on the banks of the river Hooghly.
कोलकाता हुगली नदी के किनारे पर स्थित है.
9. The clouds are above the car.
बादल गाड़ी के ऊपर है.
10. A bird is hovering over the car.
एक पक्षी गाड़ी के ऊपर उड़ रहा है.
Off as a preposition. 1. Separation or disconnection. The word off is commonly used to indicate separation or disconnection from a surface, object, or location. Here are some examples. 1. He jumped off the roof. 2. She took the book off the shelf. OFF is used to denote down or away from. For example, 1. He fell off the horse. Down. 2. Take a book off the shelf. Away. 3. The rain ran off the roof. Down. 4. Keep off the grass. Away. 5. Off as a preposition. 1. Use along for movement parallel to something. Use across for movement from one side to the other. Above/over. Above. The aeroplane is flying above the clouds. Higher than but spread. Over. The fan is over the head. Just higher than.